Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can animate a still image using Canva. Now basically what we have on screen right now is just an image of myself, and basically what I want to do is actually just get my body and my face almost kind of scaling larger. And to be able to do this, it is actually quite simple. So the first step is, of course, we need an image to be able to animate. So as you can see, this is an image of myself, and the next step is we need to make a duplicate version of this image. So to be able to do that, what I need to make sure is that I am selecting the image and I want to copy and I want to paste another image on top. So as you can see, we now have two different images, and what we want to do here is line it all up just so it's perfectly aligned. Now the next step, what we want to do with this second image is we actually want to remove the background, so we just have a copy of my body. So if we kind of just make sure that we are selecting the image on top, we then want to go over to the BG remover, which of course stands for background remover. Go ahead and click that. And as you can see, that has now taken the background off that second image, leaving just my body and my face. So let's go ahead and line that up again. And the next step, what we need to do is we actually need to set the starting point of where we want to scale our image. And we don't obviously want to be able to show that second image of myself in the background. So all I'm going to essentially do here is just make this second image on top just a little bit bigger, just so it covers the entire image below. So let's just make that a little bit bigger and make sure that's covering the entire image so we can't see anything behind. Once we've done that, we can now actually get into the fun stuff. So once again, making sure this second image is selected, what we want to do is go up to where it says Animate. And down the left-hand side here, we're going to have all of our different animation options. And the one that I want to actually select is Breathe. So if I actually hover over Breathe, it's given us a preview on what that's exactly doing. And that is very close to actually what I want to achieve here. So if we left click on that, we can then go ahead and pick the scaling amount on how far we actually want it to breathe out to. And as you can see, we've now created that kind of animation effect. And if we go up to the top, we can actually preview it by clicking play here. And as you can see, we've got an image where our body is just animating, and I think that looks pretty cool. So hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.